What's up YouTube? We have our best look yet at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra courtesy of Blass. We also have the confirmed colors of the S22 and S22 Ultra from the guys at 91 Mobiles, and Samsung has officially confirmed the launch date of the Exynos 2200. The unpacked event for the Galaxy S22 series was confirmed to be on the 8th of February, but there were rumors that it was gonna be delayed to the 9th of February due to Samsung having some supply chain issues. And there's confirmation that Samsung is indeed having some supply chain issues, so I really hope they don't push the unpacked event even further. Anyway, we had previously seen the leaked specs, renders, hands-on images, and even dummy units of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But this time, thanks to Blass, we now have an official render of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in all its glory. Now, even though this is an S-series device, it looks more like the successor to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The render shows the device in its bronze color, which is a color from the Note 20 Ultra. Pretty much the only noticeable physical difference between the Note 20 Ultra and this device is the camera design. While the Note 20 Ultra boldly embraced the camera bump, this uses a water drop camera design with minimal camera bump. The render also shows the S Pen, which is a black S Pen for the bronze S22 Ultra. It's a pretty interesting color combination with the device and the S Pen like they did with the Note 9. We also have all the colors of the S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra courtesy of 91 Mobiles. The S22 and S22 Plus are gonna use the same colors since the only difference between the devices is the screen size and the battery capacity. For the S22, there's gonna be 4 colors: green, pink gold, phantom black and phantom white. There are also rumors of 2 more colors for the S22 that might be exclusive to certain regions, and those colors are light blue and beige. According to all the leaks so far, it seems there's gonna be a total of 5 colors for the S22 Ultra. We already knew there was gonna be a phantom black and phantom white, which are gonna be like the default colors. And then we got information about a green and burgundy color option. And thanks to a leaked official Samsung render, we now know there's gonna be a bronze color option just like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. MediaTek had unveiled their Dimensity 9000, which is their next generation flagship chipset, and Qualcomm had unveiled their Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is their next generation flagship chipset. Samsung is the only company that hasn't revealed its next generation flagship chipset, the Exynos 2200. It's expected to have some major improvement over the Exynos 2100, especially in the GPU department. A few years ago, Samsung partnered with AMD to use its RDNA architecture in its mobile processors, and this is the year we see the fruit of that partnership. AMD already confirmed the Exynos 2200 is gonna use an AMD RDNA architecture GPU, so I'm really excited to see the GPU performance of the Exynos 2200. Samsung has confirmed the launch date of the Exynos 2200 to be on the 11th of January, so it's only a few days from now. Anyway, that's it for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.